Hey Wellness Warriors, welcome back to the channel. I'm Wellness from Home, and today we're diving into two of the most powerful seeds you can add to your daily routine, chia seeds and flax seeds. These tiny superfoods pack a punch when it comes to boosting your health and wellness, and the best part, you can enjoy them right at home with minimal effort. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about what makes these seeds so special. Chia seeds are tiny black seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica, native to Central America. They're packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, making them a true superfood. Flax seeds, on the other hand, come from the Linum usitatissimum plant. Like chia seeds, flax seeds are rich in omega-3s, fiber, and lignans, which are plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Let's start with chia seeds. One of the standout benefits of chia seeds is their high fiber content. Just 2 tablespoons give you about 10 grams of fiber. This helps with digestion, keeps you full longer, and supports healthy blood sugar levels. Amazing, right? Chia seeds are also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health and reducing inflammation. Plus, they absorb water and form a gel-like consistency, making them perfect for creating a nourishing chia pudding or adding to smoothies. Now, onto flax seeds. Just like chia, flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, but they're also known for their ability to promote healthy hormone balance, particularly in women. Flax seeds are also a fantastic source of lignans, which have been linked to a reduced risk of cancer. Flax seeds are also a digestive aid due to their high fiber content, and they can help lower cholesterol levels. When ground, they're even easier to digest, which is why I always recommend using ground flax seeds in your meals. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate these little powerhouses into your daily routine. The possibilities are endless. Chia pudding. Combine chia seeds with your favorite milk, a sweetener of your choice, and some vanilla extract. Let it sit in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. You'll have a creamy, satisfying snack ready to go. Flaxseed smoothies. Add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to your morning smoothie for a nutrient boost. It's like giving your body a hug from the inside out. Baking with chia and flax. Add both seeds into your baking recipes, like muffins, energy bars, or granola. They'll add texture and nutritional benefits to your treats. Sprinkle on salads or yogurt. Keep it simple. Sprinkle chia or flax seeds on your salads, yogurt, or cereal. They'll add a nice crunch and give you that extra nutrition boost. So, which one should you choose? Honestly, it's a personal preference. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are incredibly nutritious and offer a variety of benefits, so I say, why not use both? For your smoothies or puddings, chia seeds are your go-to for their gel-like texture. But for baking and incorporating into meals, ground flax seeds are perfect for adding that nutty flavor. Combine them both in your daily diet and get the best of both worlds. I hope you're as excited about these super seeds as I am. Let me know in the comments below. Which one do you prefer, chia or flax? Or maybe you're going to try both. I'd love to hear how you incorporate them into your routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips and healthy living hacks. Until next time, stay healthy.